Hi everyone, how are you all? I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Classic Social Science Chapter 3 Landforms and Life Multiple Choice Questions. What is a landform? Options are a man-made feature on Earth, a physical feature on the surface of Earth, a type of weather condition, a plant or animal species. Which is the correct answer? A landform is a physical feature on the surface of Earth. Landforms, they take shape over millions of years. They are broadly classified into three categories: mountains, plateaus and plains. Next one, which statement is correct about landforms? Options are: they have no impact on climate, they are the same everywhere, they support different types of flora and fauna, humans cannot live on them. Which is the correct statement? Landforms, they support different types of flora and fauna. These landforms have different climates and are home to a variety of flora and fauna. Humans have adapted to all landforms, but the number of people living on different kinds of landforms varies throughout the world. Next one, mountains are landforms that are, options are lower than the surrounding land. Is it correct? No, much higher than the surrounding landscape, then flat and broad everywhere, found only near rivers. Which is the correct answer? Mountains are landforms that are much higher than surrounding landscape. They are not flat and broad everywhere. They have broad base, steep slopes and a narrow summit. Next one, which of the following is a feature of mountains? Narrow base and broad summit, broad base, steep slopes and narrow summit, flat top and gentle slope, rounded top and gentle slope. Which is the correct answer? Mountains can be recognized by a broad base, steep slopes and a narrow summit. So which is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Broad base, steep slopes and narrow summit. What happens to snow at lower altitudes during summer? Options are: it remains permanently snow-capped, it turns into fog, it melts and becomes water that feeds rivers, it disappears without melting. At lower altitudes, the snow melts every summer and turns into water that feeds rivers. So, which is the correct answer? Option C. It melts and becomes water that feeds rivers. Then, what about high altitudes? At high altitudes, the snow may never melt, leaving the mountain permanently snow-capped. The next one, what are highlands with lower height, less steep slopes and rounded tops called? Options are mountains, plains, hills, plateaus. Which is the correct answer? Hills. Hills are highlands with lower height, less steep slopes and rounded tops. In most parts of India, precipitation is mainly in the form of, options are snow, rain and hail, ice only, fog and dew. In most parts of India, precipitation is mainly in the form of rain and hail. What do you mean by hail? Hail means small balls of ice that fall from the sky during a storm. That is hail. Next one, snow and hailstones are examples of precipitation of water in liquid form, precipitation of water in solid state, evaporation, condensation. Which is the correct answer? Snow and hailstones are examples of precipitation of water in solid state. Precipitation of water in solid state means water falling from the sky in the form of ice, not liquid. So, snow and hailstones are examples of precipitation of water in solid state. Snow means soft white flakes of frozen water. Then hail, hard balls or lumps of ice. Next one, the Himalayas are located in which continent? Europe, Asia, Africa, South America. Which is the correct answer? Asia. Next one, Mount Everest is located between. Options are India and Bhutan, Tibet, China and Nepal, Nepal and Sikkim, Bhutan and China. Which is the correct answer? Tibet and Nepal. Which of the following is the highest peak of Andes? Options are Kanchenjunga, Mount Aconcagua, Mount Blanc, Mount Kilimanjaro. Which is the correct answer? Mount Aconcagua. It is the highest peak of Andes. It is in South America. Next one, Mount Blanc, the highest mountain of the Alps, is found in. Options are South America, Asia, Western Europe, Africa. Which is the correct answer? Western Europe. Mount Blanc in Western Europe is the highest mountain of the Alps. The highest mountain in South India is. Options are Nilgiri Hills, Anamudi, Kanchenjunga, Mount Abu. Which is the correct answer? Anamudi or Ane Peak. It is the highest mountain in South India. It is in Kerala. Next one, the Indian name of the largest river originating in the Himalayas is. Options are Yamuna, Ganga, Ghagara, Son. Which is the correct answer? Ganga. Ganga is the Indian name of the largest river originating in the Himalayas. What type of forest is common on mountain slopes? Options are alpine forest, montane forest, tropical forest, deciduous forest. Which is the correct answer? Montane forest. Mountain slopes are often covered with a type of forest called montane forest where conifer trees such as pines, firs, spruce and deodar are very common. These conifer trees grow tall and cone-shaped with thin pointed leaves. What types of plants are found at higher altitudes on mountain slopes where trees give way? Options are pine and fir trees, mosses and lichens, tropical plants, shrubs only. Which is the correct answer? At higher altitudes, the trees give way to grasses, mosses and lichens. So, mosses and lichens. At higher altitudes, trees cannot survive because of height and cold. Smaller plants like mosses and lichens take their place. So, instead of trees, you will mostly find mosses and lichens at higher altitudes. They are tiny, simple plants that can survive in very harsh, cold and rocky conditions. The mountain terrain is usually, options are flat and smooth, rugged and steep, sandy and dry, plain and fertile. The mountain terrain is usually rugged or rough and has steep slopes. So, answer is rugged and steep. Terrace farming is practiced in mountains by, options are planting trees along rivers, using machines to level the land, cutting steps into the slope, growing crops only in valleys. What do you mean by terrace farming? Cultivation is practiced on the slopes by cutting steps into slope. This is called terrace farming. So, answer is cutting steps into the slope. Which occupation is preferred in many mountainous regions? Options are fishing, herding, mining, shipbuilding. In many mountainous regions of the world, herding is a preferred occupation over agriculture. So here correct answer is herding. Which of the following is a popular tourist activity in the mountains? Surfing, skiing, desert safari, scuba diving. Which is the correct answer? Skiing. The main tourist activities in the mountains involve skiing, hiking, then mountaineering, paragliding, etc. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Options are Arunima Sinha, Bechendri Pal, Santosh Yadav, Premalada Agarwal. Which is the correct answer? Bechendri Pal. She was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 1984 and she was awarded Padma Shri the same year. With Bechendri Pal's support, Arunima Sinha climbed Mount Everest in options are 2008, 2010, 2013, 2015. Which is the correct answer? 2013. With Bechendri Pal's encouragement and training, Arunima Sinha managed to climb Mount Everest in 2013 and went on to climb the highest peak of every continent including Mount Vinson in Antarctica. She was awarded Padma Shri in 2015. A plateau is best described as a flat, low land with fertile soil, a landform with flat surface and steep sides, a chain of mountains, a desert region with sand dunes. Which is the correct answer? A plateau is a landform with flat surface and steep sides. Next one, which plateau is the largest and highest in the world? Options are the Deccan Plateau, the Chota Nagpur Plateau, the Tibetan Plateau, the Colorado Plateau. Which is the correct answer? The Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is the largest and the highest plateau in the world. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Tibetan Plateau, East African Plateau. Which is the correct answer? Tibetan Plateau. The East African Plateau is famous for options are iron and coal mining, gold and diamond mining, rich black soil farming, tea plantations. The East African Plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. Huge reserves of iron, coal and manganese in India are found in options are Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau. Which is the correct answer? Chota Nagpur Plateau. In India, huge reserves of iron, coal and manganese are found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Lava plateaus are considered good for farming. Why? Options are they are always near rivers, they have rich black soil, they have many waterfalls, they are found in plains. Which is the correct answer? They have rich black soil. Many plateaus have a rocky soil which makes them less fertile than plains and therefore less favorable to farming. An exception is that of lava plateaus, as they often have rich black soil. Which of the following waterfalls is located in the Chota Nagpur Plateau? Options are Jog Falls, Nokkalikai Falls, Hundru Falls, Victoria Falls. Correct answer is Hundru Falls. Hundru Falls on the Suparnarekha River in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Victoria Falls is on the Zambezi River in southern Africa. The next one, the Jog Falls is situated on which river? Sharavati River, Suparnarekha River, Zambezi River, Ganga River. Sharavati River. Jog Falls is situated on the Sharavati River in the Western Ghats. The Nokkalikai Falls dropping down 340 meters are found in which plateau? Options are Tibetan Plateau, Deccan Plateau, East African Plateau, Cherrapunji Plateau. Which is the correct answer? The Nokkalikai Falls drop down 340 meters from the Cherrapunji Plateau in Meghalaya. Next one, floodplains are formed by, options are winds blowing across deserts, volcanic eruptions, rivers depositing sediments, melting glaciers. How floodplains are formed? They are formed by rivers depositing sediments. Traditional agriculture in plains has been mainly, options are irrigation based, rain fed, dependent on wells, based on canals only. Which is the correct answer? Rain fed. Rain fed means something that depends only on rainfall for water, not on rivers, canals or irrigation. So, traditional agriculture in plains has been mainly rain fed. What major problems has arisen due to excessive irrigation in the plains? Options are desertification, depletion of groundwater, loss of rainfall, earthquakes. Which is the correct answer? Depletion of groundwater. Irrigation helped to increase agricultural production, but it results in depletion of groundwater. Which of the following is considered a cold desert? Sahara Desert, Thar Desert, Gobi Desert, Kalahari Desert. Which is the correct answer? Gobi Desert. All others are hot deserts. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.